Hey, what's going on? All right. Just wanted to check in. I'm back out working on the trailer again. Um, I was out working on it last night. Just was messing with starting to sand it because I was thinking about painting it. But what I ended up finding out is I was sanding it with a Brillo pad. Let me show you what Brillo pads I have. Are these, okay? Just basic Brillo pads. And what I was doing was uh, kind of knocking off. It had like a coating, like somebody painted it with, I guess, some type of water-based paint. But what I found out last night when I was scraping it all off, I was like, man, this doesn't look too bad. So what I ended up doing was getting my buffer out and buffing a little part. And I want you guys to let me know what you think. Check this out. So I don't know if you can see it, but you see the shine on that? That's just, the buffer. Okay. And then I didn't buff the back, but I did sand it. But you can see right here. So all of this down here has been sanded and it doesn't look too bad. I think I might be able to save some money by not painting it and just knocking all this stuff off, right? Because see, it's when you look at it, you see how that is, and it just comes right off, and it's everywhere. The other side is a little bit worse than this side, but I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do. Anyway, what am I getting into today? Today I'm going to get up here on this roof and start taking the wood off. See if I can get the bad wood off and go over to Home Depot and get what I need. So I'm going to get the ladder, get up there, and then I'll show you, up close what pieces of wood we need to remove. All right, stick with me. All righty, so you can see this board has to come out. And what I found out about this trailer, I don't know if I already mentioned this, this is aluminum framing. So the framing, I don't know if you can see that right there, that little aluminum, they're aluminum framing, which is good. So that means that all of my, I guess it would be studs or what is the other word? Jesus, my brain. I know they're not trusses, but the studs that run across, it might be trusses, are aluminum. So they're not rotten. So I should be able to just replace this wood and screw it in. And as you can see here, there are some screws that I'll take out. And once I get those screws out, then I should be able to get that wood out. So right now it looks like I got that one that needs to be taken out. There's that one right here, I think, because it's rotten on that corner and it's rotten all the way over there. So I'm going to take that one out. The one next to it, which is that one. And then the ones up front look pretty good. I don't have to worry about those. I think that corner is okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get these out. And then once I get them all out, I'll get up here and show you what the space looks like with those rotten woods removed. And we'll look at them in a little bit more detail when I get them on the ground. All right, time to get to work. All right, I got the wood off the roof removed. Here it is. Let me show you. So these are the panels that I removed. Believe it or not, this one is probably the better of all three. That's the other one. There's that half, that one that went across the back right there. All right. So these are the ones. This is one that I got left. And then those two up front. I mean, they look good enough. I think I'll be all right. What I'll probably end up doing is once I get all the wood put up here, I'm probably going to put a sealant over the wood and then lay down the new membrane. So, but there you have it. I'm happy to have gotten this to this point so far. It's moving along. Again, y'all know with these projects, I really don't like spending a lot of money, especially now in the holiday season. I got a little bit of savings to put aside for this project. And if I can save a little, save out of that budget by one, not painting, that's going to save a lot. If I can buff this out and make it look good, that's going to be a savings. And then the roof is not as bad as I thought. So if my system that I'm thinking about doing, replace the 3 pieces of wood that I got, clean it, put a sealant over the top of all of that, seal it real good, put a sealant over it, then put my membrane on it, I'm thinking I'll be good. That's going to do it for this video. Part 2, part 3, I don't know where I'm at. I'll be coming up after I get the wood. It'll be the installation. I'll be start cutting the wood and measuring and make sure everything is right, and then I'll get it all installed and I'll share that with you. All right, okay. Until the next time, I'll see you right here on the Golden Spear Homestead. Don't forget, also hit that subscribe button, hit notification. I'm doing big things, man. Hopefully I can show you guys something that you might want to use. All right, blessings. Have a good one.